to my channel, viewers and subscribers. If you're new to this channel, go ahead to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications bell. You won't regret it. You'll get jobs right away, remote jobs worldwide. Alright, so let's get into it. This company is hiring right now that I have connection to. Are you tired of doing assessments, tests, and at the end of all of that hard work, probably even a 1 hour's work, they still do not invite you for an interview? All right, I'll let you get past all of that. This company is going to give you a direct interview where you don't have to go through all of that. All right, and they're paying $1,500 per month. Yes, I said that correctly. $1,500 per month. And the sweetest part about it, you don't need to have any experience. They are willing to train you. All right, so let's get into another information that I would love to pass on to you. Over 229 jobs that they're looking to fill right now within the next 5 days. So if you're interested, comment below. All right, let's jump into this. This company is currently hiring. There's about 229 jobs that they're looking to be able to fill in about 5 days. Yes, you heard me correctly. 5 days they need to be able to fill that job gap that they have. So let's be a part of that shortlisted amount of applicants. So this is Cyberbacker. This company is hiring worldwide, no location restriction. You heard me correctly. Now you have to have a good command in English. And guess what? Your device has to be 8 GB RAM. Remember this, because you have to have the good requirements and the equipments that they desire for you to work efficiently on their systems and basic CRM softwares. All right, you have to have 10 megabytes internet connection. Very important. All right, and you have to have the basics, about a minimum of 1 to 3 years of BPO sales outbound is a must for this career. So this is just for the appointment setter career. And we have Cyberbacker. I'm just going through the high demand careers that everyone wants to jump on. Transcription work. So this is a non-phone job. You'll be scheduling consultation with customers and dealing with emails, virtual files. So you basically be a data analyst. All right, for their company. Can be also be a recruiter. And guess what? Let's jump into the one that everyone is crazy about. Non-phone jobs where you don't need to be on the phone. It's a full-time job, and guess what? You'll be handling incoming emails on a prompt time. So if you know you can type really quickly, you can respond to customer inquiries and be able to provide good customer service, then this job is for you. Don't hesitate to apply now. The link will be in the video description down below this video. All right, so you can go ahead to Google the rest, run through it on your own, see which job you want to fill out for this company, and I bet you must get a response for this company. All right, and you can also do your own due diligence by researching on their Trustpilot. You can research on Glassdoor, and you will see that this company is fully legit, and to see what other employers are saying. All right, if you have any question and inquiries, get back to me. My number is also in the video description attached, and my email. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I wish you all the best in your job hunting.